What's up, what's up? Y'all know what it is. Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to basically remove the top. Not the whole vanity, just the top and the faucet and the bowl. Get this out, and then we're gonna install this new one. This bowl is already mounted to it, so all we gotta do pretty much is get rid of this and put this in. Here go one quick step though, that I'm gonna show you. That's really important, first and foremost. Come check this out down here. This the first main step is turning your water off. These are valves, hot and cold valves. What you gotta do is twist, 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 twist. Come on this side, twist, twist, twist. Just keep twisting clockwise all the way until it's tight. Once you do that, you come up here, you hit that, you hit that. You see ain't no water on. So you ain't gotta worry about no water leaking now. If it drips out a little bit, turn those a little more, but sometimes these leak and they gotta be changed. But in this case, this is a good one. We don't gotta do that. All we gotta do is crank it a little more to be safe. No water's coming on. That's step one. Step two is you gotta disconnect. See this line right here? Get a wrench or some channel locks or whatever you got to use. Some people use channel locks, some people use a wrench, some people use whatever, pretty much what they got. So undo this line from right here and undo this line from right here. I'll show you that in a minute. Give us a second and I'll let you check this out. All right, so y'all see I got the black rubber gloves on, white, whatever gloves you need, but hey, check this out. So you need to loosen this one up. This the drain. It's usually water sitting in a pipe like that, so make sure you put a towel down or a bucket, whatever you got on hand. Loosen this one, that's 2, and loosen this back one. That's 3. Make sure you hold on to it because it'll drop out. Bye y'all. You see it's full of water. So get this drain off, and that's pretty much step 2. So that was step 2. Step 2 was getting the drain off. You see that's all. Now let's go back to step 1, getting these lines off. You see I'm using channel locks. Some people use wrenches, but this is what I had on hand. This will work too. Trick is just unloosening it. So give it a couple cranks. And once you get it loose with the wrench, you can use your hand and I'll tighten it. Booyah. You see a little bit of water come out, don't get scared. That pretty much just was water that was in the line still. I always check the crank and make sure that's all y'all, but it is. So boom, that's one line off. Repeat the same step with this one, and now I'm about to take y'all to step 3. I got that line off, hot. I got the cold line off, and I got the drain off. So at this point, the whole plumbing system is disconnected. Now you gotta work on getting the top off, and then from there you put the new one on. So I'm about to show y'all how to get the top off. All right, so now all the plumbing's unhooked. Now we gotta get this off. There's different ways to put this on. Some people glue it down, some people screw it down. I looked at this one, I think it's screwed down. Sometimes it's both. Start off with the screws though. So first, you gotta take this drawer off, which is usually on the edge on each side, at each end. So I'm going underneath with my drill and unscrew the screws. Once the screws are undone, then we'll know if it's glued or not. It's 6 screws. That side. So what I do is push up while I'm down here. See it moving? So that let me know that it's not glued, it's just screwed. So I'll come on this side, get these out, and then I'll tell you the next step is after that, get the backsplash off. That's off. 5, one more screw. 6. There. When I do the toe stamps on my back, I push. See? So it's not glued, it's just screwed. That's a good thing. So now, to make this easy, you can pull it, you get it from the backsplash. At that point, you have somebody do it, help you with both ends. If it's too long or if it's short like this, you just take it off. Voila. See? Now We ready to install a new one. We gotta pull this backsplash off, get a crowbar, stick it under there, pull it off. I'll show y'all that next. Alright, this is the last step. You can see that the plumbing's gone, you can see that the sink is gone, countertop is gone. Next you gotta get off the backsplash. The way you do this is you take a knife to be safe, and you score both sides. That way it don't tear the paint up. Next what you do, this is how I do it. I use a crowbar. You gotta be careful you don't tear the wall up though. So you gotta tap back there and wedge it, and then come under and work your way. Be careful, you want to break the mirror. Pop it off. And at this point, you're ready to install your new one. So in today's video, I just showed y'all how to take a countertop sink out, disconnect the plumbing with the backsplash. And in my next video, I'll be showing y'all how to install one. You know what it is. Like, subscribe, follow me on YouTube, Instagram. Can't stop, won't stop. Let's go.